This is ABC 15 News.
Tough questions tonight for the author of SB 1070, just a day before the controversial immigration bill is argued before the U.S. Supreme Court. The court is deciding whether the state overstepped its authority in creating its own immigration law. That law lets local police investigate immigration violations. It's created a firestorm of protest from many who believe it could lead to racial profiling. Today, a Senate committee heard testimony on the law. ABC 15's Steve Irvin was at that hearing. And Steve, the author of this bill, former Senator Russell Pearce, said he was disappointed that no other Republican even showed up.
Yeah, that's true, Stephanie. Even the chairman of this committee gave him credit for simply being there. Not only was Russell Pearce the only Republican defending SB 1070, he was the only Republican in the room.
In SB 1070, we prohibit racial profiling. In SB 1070,
former Senate President Russell Pearce faced a barrage of questions, and it didn't take long for him to figure out he was the only one defending SB 1070.
This is exactly why Governor Brewer denied the invitation. She can't justify the very bill that she signed.
Senator John Kyle released a statement today saying he wouldn't go to the hearing because it was political theater. And committee chairman Chuck Schumer actually praised Pearce for his integrity, saying he reached out to many supporters of the bill, but none of them agreed to appear.
The other states are very proud of what Arizona's done. And the governor has stepped out to support this bill after signing it. And yeah, I'm disappointed that others weren't here to do that.
Now, there are some concerns that Republicans could face a backlash from voters in those fall elections, possibly even affecting the presidential race. We're going to have more on that issue coming up tonight at 6. And, of course, we'll be following that showdown in front of the Supreme Court tomorrow. Those oral arguments and the decision later this summer could ultimately decide the fate of SB 1070.
Yeah, and tensions high today. It will be really interesting to see what happens tomorrow at Supreme Court. Steve Irvin, live in Washington, D.C. Thank you.